All right, let's dive into mastering Facebook ad analysis in just 5 minutes for massive results. First things first, head over to Facebook Ads Manager to access all the data you need to analyze your ad campaigns. Look out for key metrics like reach, impressions, click-through rate, CTR, and conversion rate. These numbers will give you insights into how your ads are performing and where you can make improvements. Tracking your ad results is crucial for success. By monitoring these metrics, you can see what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for better performance. This leads us to some performance improvement tips. One powerful strategy is A/B testing. Create variations of your ads to test different elements like headlines, images, or calls to action. By comparing the results, you can identify which version resonates best with your audience and refine your ads accordingly. Audience segmentation is another game changer. Divide your audience into smaller groups based on demographics, interests, or behaviors. This allows you to tailor your ads to specific segments, increasing relevance and engagement. Lastly, monitoring and adapting your strategies is key. Keep a close eye on your ad performance regularly and be ready to pivot if needed. Adjust your targeting, messaging, or budget based on the data to ensure you're always optimizing for success. So there you have it, mastering Facebook ad analysis in a nutshell. By tracking your results, implementing performance improvement tips like A/B testing and audience segmentation, and staying agile with your strategies, you'll be on your way to achieving massive results with your Facebook ads.